What is up guys, Zanif Tech is here and I'm back again with my second unboxing, but this time of the Series 4 Apple Watch in stainless steel and 40mm. You will notice that the box is a bit different from last year's. You do have your normal pull tab, but this year Apple decided to keep the boxes the exact same regardless of what finish you get. So if you get the aluminum finish or the stainless steel, you will have the same box. Last year the stainless steel variations came in a square box with a little nicer internals for the Apple Watch, but you don't really see it after you take it out of the box and just toss it away. Here you will notice these nice cool tabs they put on the packaging that reveal this nice planogram of actual Apple Watches with new bands and colors. They did something similar to the Designed by Apple book that they sell around for $300, and I'm glad they actually brought that packaging over to this new Apple Watch to make it a bit different from the previous years. Here's a closer look at the actual packaging. It shows the new colors of the leather loops, and also the Milanese loops in gold, stainless steel, and the new other colors. I do really like how they did this, and it's a creative touch to the Apple Watch. Here's the top portion of the Apple Watch box. You will notice it's a bit slimmer, and that is because this Apple Watch box does not have the band inside anymore. Apple decided to make it two separate boxes. Well, you get one entire box, but then you get a box with the Apple Watch and accessories, and then you get a separate box for your actual sport loop or even your Milanese loop, depending on what you choose. You will notice that you get the standard USB power block, but on the stainless steel variations, you get the stainless steel charging cable. One neat feature is this nice little cloth material, which is kind of hard for me to take off in the beginning. You will notice that because I was pushing it the wrong way from the digital crown. But once you get a hang of it, you will get it out of there. Otherwise, I'm glad they actually kept this material. It's like a microfiber material that actually protects the screen from scratches, I guess, during the packaging process, and it gives her a nicer touch when you're unboxing it, because Apple's all about the unboxing experience, how everything looks, and I'm actually grateful that they do that so that they can attract more customers when they watch these unboxing videos or even reviews of the product. I'm glad that they did keep that stainless steel ring around the Apple Watch charger, because you are paying a little bit of a premium for the stainless steel material, and I'm glad they bring it over to the actual accessories as well to have that final touch to it. Here you do have your little manuals. There are no little small Apple stickers like some may be expecting. They never did have them in the Apple Watch boxes. But it's only one little piece, and it's pretty simple. It tells you to connect it to your iPhone and go along with the process. If you've ever bought an external Apple Watch band than the one that came with your actual Apple Watch when you bought it, then you will notice this packaging. It is the exact same packaging you would get if you bought an external band, regardless of what color you get or finish. The stainless steel bands come in the exact same packaging, but you may be thinking that you used the recycled packaging, but they didn't, because the new ones say 40mm and also 44. Here's a closer look at the Apple Watch stainless steel Series 4, and you can definitely say that it has a slimmer profile than it did before, and the rounded screen that goes to the sides looks a lot better. The back of it has this nice ceramic material, and the back of it also has these nice new sensors, which help with the heart rate sensing, and then also the ECG that will come in a future software update later in the year. Apple doesn't include the $79 dock anymore because we don't have the ceramic models like we did last year, so it is kind of a bummer we don't get that nice charger. The 40mm Apple Watch Series 4 is a great improvement over the old 38 because of that extra little screen space. If you like the size of the casing of the 38mm, but you wanted that bigger screen because you didn't really see the screen that well, then this is the way to go, and you should be very glad that you actually waited this out and got your hands on this new 40mm. If you still think that the screen is small on this 40mm, then definitely go for the 44mm and try it out at the Apple Store. If you're wondering if you can use your old bands, you definitely can with the Series 4, and you can actually put a Nike band or any of the other bands that Apple sells online or even on Amazon, and they work perfectly fine with your watch. So you can create your own customization like you did with the previous generations. The power button is no longer protruding out of the actual Apple Watch, and it sits flush with the actual casing, which is a really nice feature, and the addition of taptic feedback on the digital crown makes it a bit different when using the Apple Watch. The back of all Apple Watches now say ceramic casing, and that is only for the back glass. Keep in mind that it is glass and ceramic. You do have a chance of breaking it in the future. If you like my unboxing of the Series 4, then definitely give me a thumbs up and let me know how I did. And to check out the full review of the Series 4 Apple Watch, stay tuned for more videos on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Zanif Tech is out.